Hi, today I'll be showing you how to install PureBDcraft. It's the texture pack we use for our Tekkit server. So we will go to the description. If you click on the web page, it will bring you to this. You'll go to texture pack. This is what all your stuff will look like. Mobs, they look pretty scary. How do you think of it? Yeah, whatever you think. Okay. Click on it. It's texture packs. Pure. So I've already got this. I got version. I don't really know which one. I just clicked on. No, yeah, I do. I got this one. Yeah. And so yeah, if you got version, whatever version you got. Yeah. So just click on that. It'll come up in your downloads. So you'd go to, if you don't know how to do this, you go to, yeah, I'll be back with my next video.